In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link your bank account to streamline your financial tracking. This can significantly simplify your bookkeeping, allowing you to focus more on managing your finances and less on manual data entry. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the banking section of your financial software. This is typically found in the main menu, so take a moment to locate it. Once you're there, look for the option to link account. This is the gateway to connecting your bank and ensuring all your transactions are imported seamlessly into your software. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for automatic updates and real-time tracking of your finances. Now let's move on to searching for your bank. Most financial software applications have a search function specifically for this purpose. You'll need to enter the name of your bank into the search bar. If your bank is widely recognized, it should appear in the list of options. In case you have multiple accounts or banks, make sure to select the correct one that you want linked to your accounting software. This precision will ensure that only the relevant data is imported. Once you find your bank, click on it, and you should be prompted to log into your online banking account. This step might feel a bit like a leap of faith, but rest assured, these platforms use robust encryption to keep your login information secure. Enter your credentials carefully. These are usually your username and password. Double check to make sure there are no typos before submitting. After logging in, the system will initiate the connection process. This step might take a few moments as it authenticates your information and establishes a secure link between your bank and the software. During this time, you might be asked to verify your identity. This could be in the form of a security question or a verification code sent to your phone or email. This added layer of security is in place to protect your data, so be sure to proceed with providing the necessary information. If everything goes smoothly, a message should confirm that your account is now linked. This is when the magic starts. Transactions from your bank account will begin importing automatically into your financial software. This automated feature allows you to see your transaction history and categorizations all in one place, significantly reducing the time and effort spent on manual data entry. And there you have it. By having your bank transactions automatically imported, you'll be able to maintain a clear and updated view of your finances, making it easier to manage your budget and track your spending. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now set up for more efficient financial management.